Bismillah ar-Rahman-ir-Rahim. All praise is due to Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu. My dear brothers and sisters, there is a pain that many people carry silently. It is the pain of a broken heart. Someone you trusted, someone you loved, someone you believed would stay, suddenly hurts you, betrays you, or walks away. And in that moment, you ask yourself, why did this happen to me? Why did Allah allow my heart to be broken? But what if I told you that sometimes the breaking of your heart is actually the beginning of Allah's greatest preparation for you? Today, I want to share 5 powerful realities that Allah may be preparing for you when someone breaks your heart. When someone breaks your heart, the pain can feel unbearable. It can feel like something inside you has been shattered, like the trust you placed in another person has been crushed. You may spend nights thinking about what went wrong, asking yourself why things had to happen the way they did. In those moments, it is very easy to believe that you have lost something precious and that your life has somehow become worse because that person is no longer part of it. But what many people fail to realize is that sometimes the removal of a person from your life is actually a form of protection from Allah. We often see things only from our limited perspective. We see the emotions, the memories, and the hopes we built with someone, but Allah sees what we cannot see. He sees the future, the hidden intentions of people, and the consequences that certain relationships may bring into our lives. There are times when we desperately hold on to someone, believing they are meant for us, believing that our happiness depends on them staying in our lives. Yet Allah, in His infinite wisdom, may know that this person would eventually harm your faith, damage your peace, or lead you toward a path that would distance you from Him. What feels like a painful loss today may actually be Allah preventing a much deeper pain that could have happened later. Think about how many times in life people look back at past relationships and realize that they were saved from something worse. At the time, the heartbreak felt like the end of the world. But years later, they recognize that if that relationship had continued, it could have brought more suffering, more disappointment, or even more damage to their emotional and spiritual well-being. What they once saw as rejection eventually revealed itself as protection. Allah does not remove something from your life without purpose. When He closes a door, it is never random. Sometimes it is because what lies behind that door is not meant for you. Sometimes it is because keeping that door open would have led to consequences that you were not meant to experience. The difficult part is that we usually understand this wisdom only after time has passed. In the moment of heartbreak, it is hard to see anything other than pain. Our hearts focus on what we lost rather than what we may have been saved from. But faith teaches us to trust that Allah's decisions are always rooted in mercy, even when they hurt. It is possible that the person who broke your heart was not capable of giving you the loyalty, respect, or kindness you truly deserved. It is possible that staying connected to them would have slowly drained your peace and weakened your spirit. By removing them from your life, Allah may be clearing the path for a future that is healthier, safer, and more aligned with your well-being. So when your heart feels heavy because someone has hurt you or walked away, remind yourself that Allah sees what you cannot see. What appears to be a painful ending might actually be divine protection, unfolding in a way you will only fully understand later. Sometimes the greatest mercy of Allah comes in the form of something being taken away before it has the chance to destroy you. When someone breaks your heart, one of the deepest lessons hidden inside that pain is the reminder of where our true dependence should lie. As human beings, we naturally form attachments to people. We love them, trust them, and sometimes we begin to rely on them for our happiness and emotional stability. We expect them to understand us, to stay loyal to us, and to always be there for us, and to always be there for us. Slowly, without even realizing it, our hearts can begin to lean on people more than they lean on Allah. This is where heartbreak often becomes a powerful turning point. When someone you trusted hurts you or leaves you, The emotional shock forces you or leaves you. The emotional shock forces you to confront a difficult truth. People are not perfect, and people cannot always carry the weight of our expectations. Human beings are fragile, inconsistent, and limited in ways that only become clear when something goes wrong. When that moment comes, it can feel like the ground beneath your feet has disappeared. The person you relied on is no longer the source of comfort you thought they were. The words you once trusted suddenly feel empty. The promises you believed in no longer hold meaning. And in that moment of confusion and pain, many people begin to search for something stronger, something more stable, something that will not collapse the way human relationships sometimes do. That is often when the heart begins to turn back to Allah in a deeper way, when all the distractions fall away and the emotional noise quiets down. A person may find themselves raising their hands in prayer with a sincerity they may not have felt before. The tears that fall during those moments are different because they come from a place of vulnerability and honesty. Through heartbreak, Allah gently reminds us that while people may come and go, He remains constant. Human love can be beautiful, but it will always have limits. People get tired, people change, people misunderstand each other, and sometimes people simply walk away. But Allah never abandons the one who turns to Him sincerely. When someone hurts you, it creates an empty space in your heart. That emptiness can feel painful at first, but it also creates an opportunity. Instead of filling that space with another unhealthy attachment or another dependency on someone else, it can become a space where your connection with Allah grows stronger. You begin to realize that true peace does not come from another person's approval, attention, or presence. Real peace comes from knowing that your heart is connected to the one who created it. When your heart learns to rely on Allah first, relationships with people become healthier because they are no longer the foundation of your happiness. They become part of your life, but they are not the center of it. Heartbreak, then, becomes more than just pain. It becomes a reminder that your heart was never meant to depend completely on another human being. Your heart was created to find its deepest comfort, security, and stability in Allah alone. When that realization settles into your soul, the pain of what you lost slowly transforms into gratitude for the closeness with Allah that you gained. When a person experiences heartbreak, the pain often feels overwhelming. It can make the heart feel heavy, the mind restless, and the soul exhausted. Many people see this pain only as something negative, something that damages them emotionally. But in reality, pain can sometimes become one of the most powerful ways Allah purifies and reshapes the heart. When everything in life is going smoothly, people often become comfortable. They go through their daily routines without deeply reflecting on their relationship with Allah. Their prayers may become quick and distracted, their gratitude may become routine, and their awareness of Allah may slowly weaken without them even realizing it. Comfort can sometimes make the heart forget how much it truly needs its creator. Heartbreak, however, has a way of waking the soul up. When a person feels deeply hurt, they begin searching for meaning. They start asking questions about life, about destiny, and about why things happen the way they do. In those quiet moments of sadness, many people turn to Allah with a sincerity they may not have felt before. Their doors become longer, their tears become more genuine, and their hearts become softer. Pain removes the illusion that we control everything. It reminds us that human beings are fragile, and that life does not always follow the plans we create for ourselves. This realization humbles the heart. Pride slowly fades away because the person understands that they are not as strong or as independent as they once believed. Instead of relying only on their own strength, they begin seeking strength from Allah. Through this process, the heart becomes purified. The pain may remove arrogance, unrealistic expectations, and unhealthy attachments that once filled the heart. It forces a person to look inward and reflect on their actions, their intentions, and their relationship with their Creator. In many cases, people become kinder, more patient, and more compassionate after they have gone through deep emotional pain. Heartbreak also teaches a person to become more understanding toward others. Someone who has experienced pain often becomes more gentle with people who are struggling. They learn not to judge others quickly because they know how heavy emotional burdens can be. Their hearts become more sensitive and more aware of the struggles that others may be hiding. Another beautiful transformation that comes through pain is sincerity in worship. When someone cries to Allah in the middle of the night, when they raise their hands and speak to Him with honesty and vulnerability, their connection with Him becomes stronger. Those moments of sincere prayer often bring a sense of peace that cannot be explained. Over time, a person may look back and realize that their heartbreak changed them in ways they never expected. It made their faith deeper, their character stronger, and their heart more humble. The pain that once felt unbearable may have been the very thing that brought them closer to Allah and helped them grow into a better version of themselves. In this way, heartbreak does not only wound the heart, sometimes it cleanses it, softens it, and prepares it for a deeper connection with Allah and a more meaningful understanding of life. When someone breaks your heart, it can feel like you have lost something that can never be replaced. The memories you shared, the dreams you imagined together, and the hopes you built around that person suddenly disappear, leaving a painful emptiness behind. In those moments, many people believe that they have lost the best thing that could ever happen to them. Their mind keeps returning to the past, wondering if things could have been different or if they somehow let something valuable slip away. But what we often fail to understand in moments of heartbreak is that Allah's plan is always greater than our own expectations. Human beings see only a small part of the story. We see the present moment, the emotions, and the attachments we have formed. Allah, however, sees the entire path of our lives. He knows what is hidden in the hearts of people, what lies ahead in the future, and what kind of relationships will truly bring peace into our lives. Sometimes we hold on to someone simply because we are afraid of losing them. Even when the relationship begins to show signs of pain, disrespect, or imbalance, we convince ourselves that we cannot live without that person. We fear that if they leave, we will never find happiness again. But Allah, in His wisdom, may know that the person we are holding on to is not the one meant to stay in our story. When that person leaves or breaks our heart, it can feel like everything is falling apart. Yet in reality, it may be the beginning of something much better that we cannot see yet. Just as a gardener removes weak or unhealthy branches so that a plant can grow stronger, Allah sometimes removes people from our lives to make space for something healthier and more meaningful. The difficulty is that when the loss first happens, our hearts are too hurt to see any possibility of something better. The pain focuses our attention on what we lost instead of what may come later. But life has a way of revealing Allah's wisdom. With time, many people eventually meet someone who treats them with more respect, kindness, and sincerity than they had experienced before. When they look back, they realize that if the previous relationship had continued, they might never have been open to the better one that came later. This does not mean that every heartbreak will immediately be replaced by another relationship. Sometimes what Allah prepares is not simply another person, but a better version of yourself. The pain may lead you to grow emotionally, strengthen your faith, and develop a clearer understanding of what you truly deserve and need in a relationship. When that growth happens, your heart becomes wiser. You become more aware of the qualities that truly matter, such as honesty, respect, and genuine care. This wisdom protects you from repeating the same mistakes and helps you recognize the right people when they enter your life. What once felt like a devastating loss may eventually reveal itself as a turning point that guided you towards something healthier and more fulfilling. In this way, the person who broke your heart may simply have been part of the journey, not the destination that Allah intended for you all along. When someone breaks your heart, the emotional pain can feel overwhelming. It can make you feel weak, confused, and sometimes even angry. Many people begin to question why they had to go through such an experience. They wonder why Allah allowed them to feel so hurt by someone they trusted. Yet within the teachings of Islam, every hardship a believer experiences carries a deeper meaning and a hidden reward that may not be visible at first. Life in this world was never meant to be free from pain. Trials are part of the journey of every human being. Sometimes those trials come through loss, sometimes through disappointment, and sometimes through heartbreak caused by people we cared about deeply. These moments test the strength of our patience and the sincerity of our faith. When a person chooses patience during heartbreak, something very powerful happens. Instead of responding with revenge, bitterness, or hatred, they hold themselves back and place their trust in Allah. They understand that Allah is fully aware of what happened and that true justice does not escape His knowledge. This kind of patience is not easy. It requires emotional strength and a deep belief that Allah's wisdom is greater than our immediate feelings. Every moment of patience during pain carries immense value in the sight of Allah. The tears that fall in private, the silent prayers made during lonely nights, and the effort to remain calm despite hurt are all seen and recorded. Even though other people may never understand what you went through, Allah knows every detail of your struggle. Heartbreak can also become a path that elevates a person spiritually. When someone experiences emotional pain and still chooses to turn toward Allah rather than away from Him, their faith grows stronger. Their prayers become more sincere because they are no longer just words spoken out of routine. They come from a place of genuine need and deep reliance on Allah. Patience during hardship also protects the heart from becoming hard and bitter. It teaches a person to trust that Allah will handle matters in ways that are fair and wise. Instead of carrying anger toward the person who caused the pain, the believer learns to release that burden and leave the outcome in the hands of Allah. This process brings a type of peace that revenge or resentment can never provide. Over time, many people begin to notice that the experience of heartbreak changed them in ways they never expected. They become more patient, more understanding, and more spiritually aware. Their relationship with Allah becomes stronger because they learn to rely on Him during one of the most difficult moments of their lives. The reward for patience is not always something that appears immediately in this world. Sometimes the greatest reward is reserved for the hereafter, where Allah promises unimaginable blessings for those who remain patient during their trials. On that day, the struggles that once felt unbearable may become the very reason a person receives a higher rank and greater mercy from Allah.